Today's video is all about my work bag. I'll give you all the details about this bag, so let's get started. Welcome, I'm Juanita Michelle, and this is how the bag looks outside. It had been raining so long, I wanted to change the scenery. Isn't that pretty? Get outside. I had some errands to run downtown, and I thought this was a good opportunity to show you what the bag looks like when it's full of all my work essentials. I will do a what fits in my work bag video later, but right now this is the unboxing, well, the unwrapping. I bought this as a temporary work bag back in the fall season of last year because I couldn't decide on which Coach bag I wanted to use as a work bag. I couldn't decide between the Coach Addison or the Avenue, the large Avenue or the regular Avenue or the Coach Charlie. So I just decided to get this bag until to hold out from fall of last year all the way through winter. And then when spring came, this was the plan. I was just going to get a new bag. But, you know, right before spring, March 15th, you know, COVID hit. So I still got this bag. I bought this bag from Marshall's for $35, and it was a 2-in-1 bag. It came with another little small bag, but I didn't really want to use that as a bag. I thought I could use that as a travel pouch or an extra cosmetic case. Now this is the first non-designer handbag that I've had in a while, and I just assumed within 3 months or so that the handle was going to start cracking and then the glazing was going to come apart, but let's see, I used it for a while, for at least 3 or 4 months, non-stop. And the handles, they held up pretty well. But I still want my Coach bag, and I want it in a neutral color. If you guys got any suggestions, help me out and leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. This bag, it came with feet. I like that. The smaller bag comes with a crossbody strap, but it is a little bit too plain for me, so I would have to use a bag charm or maybe a scarf or something to dress it up, to add a little more style, a little more class to it, honey. This set also came with this little bag charm thingy, but I haven't used that yet. I usually just use my black pom-poms that you saw at the beginning of the video, or my little Eiffel Tower bag charm. I got that one from Michaels, and I painted it gold because it came silver. I know it's kind of hard to see, but it came with this one deep pocket, and that's all. And in a minute I'm going to do the measurements for you so you can see just how big this bag is. So the measurements are 13 by 11, and the thing I like most about this bag is the depth. I think the depth is 6 inches, and that was one of the things that I was looking for in the Coach bag. Now I saw some that had a depth of 5, but it was hard to find one that I liked that had the depth of 6 inches because I have a lot of stuff. Again, I will do a what fits in my bag video later on, so don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and again, thank you for watching.